Silence is a state of balance, well-being and comfort. It transforms a space into a place where you can live in harmony. Mapei offers a complete range of solutions for impact sound insulation of floors. Designed for those who plan, build and renovate with a focus on living comfort and long-lasting quality. Whether in a residential building, hotel or office complex, Mapei acoustic insulation systems guarantee high and consistent performance, meeting the required acoustic requirements and significantly enhancing perceived well-being. The range includes soundproofing membranes in sheets or tiles, elastic strips and sealing tapes. Products engineered to create underfloor soundproofing systems and floating screeds that are perfectly insulated from the substrate. All Mapei products are designed to be easy to apply, durable over time and suitable for renovation projects, thanks to their reduced thickness. With very low emissions of volatile organic compounds and a high content of recycled materials, Mapei acoustic insulation products help create healthier, more sustainable environments, fully respecting the environment, installers and end users. Drawing on its experience in the building industry, Mapei supports designers from material selection to installation, offering consultancy, training and digital tools such as the free data Mapesilent software and Mapei Pro for accurate and reliable design. Mapei, building a present designed to have a future.